Nah. Alright, what's up, guys? So, we're back here with the green Integra. This is my brother Damien. So we got a coupe coming out with him. Stay tuned. We got a coupe that we're building for him. I gave him a coupe. It's actually running right now, but it won't be running because I want him to build his own car just like Angel. It's an EJ. It's a 19. I don't even remember what year it is. It's a 92 to 95 Civic, but that'll be another story for another day. Stay tuned. His first time working on cars. We finally got the Integra in the air. We got the PLM top mount, the GT35 turbo. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video on the progress on the Integra.
What'd you do, bro?
Alright, so
Oh shit.
it looked a little funky in the room.
Yeah.
I posted this bad boy backwards. It's supposed to be a 180. Don't worry though. A few seconds, we'll get it good. But we got the header off. Show them. We got the header off. We got the header off. Brand new oil pan. I already dented it. I don't even remember where or how or what. But yeah, so give me a minute. We'll tighten this bad boy back up. And you see what the fitment's like. That's what I'm scared of. I'm scared to see if we're gonna hit the alternator. Let me see. Light it up right. I'm gonna come right here. If we're gonna hit the alternator right there, we're gonna clear this bad boy with the what is it? Bro, I'm so lost right now in words. Yeah. Whatever with this bad boy. Shit, what the hell, bro? With the wastegate. There we go, wastegate, bro. Yeah, so just let me turn this turbo around and we'll see what we get. And then, yeah, we had to disconnect the battery. We almost forgot to disconnect that thing. Yeah, you don't want to get sparked when you're working on cars, so always disconnect that thing. You just never know. But yeah. And I forgot the gasket. So, good thing I put that shit backwards. We make mistakes. Remember that. We all make mistakes. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's see what this clearance is like. Oh, alright. He's gonna have to go through the bottom. Hold on. Should have figured. I'm scared. It's not gonna fit.
Fuck. This sucks.
Fuck. I'm gonna have to put the turbo on while the manifold's on. Alright. We'll be back. Whoops. Alright, so I took the turbo off. I dragged it a little bit. It'll be alright.
Shit right now.
We got Lalo here. Lay low. Lay low. Alright, let's get this bad boy in there. We got a spotlight now.
So what are we doing right now?
So right now, we're putting the top mount on to the long block. H2B life, bro. F2B life. You guys know how it is. It's the worst fitment of the world.
Went from putting on the turbo onto the manifold and it still didn't fit.
The right way.
The right way.
I put it on earlier backwards.
No shit.
Yeah. I didn't realize till I was trying to put it on. I was like, wait a minute, something looks wrong. Alright, so we'll update you right now once the turbo goes back on. Alright, so Lalo came clutch with a ratchet and an extension. I low-key forgot my main set of tools in San Diego. And the TSX. So now we're stuck with nothing but bottom
And then that shit ain't just around the corner, dog.
But let's check this out. So I didn't think we were gonna clear the turbo or the wastegate was gonna clear the damn alternator, but we cleared it. Let's see. Let me see. Check it out, guys. What? You feel me? We got a light man right there. Look at spotlight. We just need a mic guy next, so we're taking applications right now. So if you got a mic and you want to be on the channel, hit us up. But yeah, here's a little bit more closer up. It's super dirty. We gotta move the battery to the trunk too. That'll be in the future. But yeah, look at that top mount looking clean. That's right. I forgot, this car needs a small intercooler because of the way the bumper bar and all that crap is set up. We went and got the big one, but it's too big. So we're gonna go back and get the small one, but you can see how we get it out.
My brother looking for an intercooler. Thought it's fucking crap.
I think I got a small one. Oh yeah, I do. This is what happens when you hoard stuff. Pretty much I'm just trying to match it up and see how it's gonna fit and make sure everything's gonna be good. Tomorrow I'll get the brackets, cut the piping, but we got you see? We got the whole turbo set up already. I kind of scratched the brand new little wastegate. Gotta tighten it all up once I figure out which way I'm gonna go with everything, which will probably be straight down like this. And then the down pipe that goes to the turbo is a little bit off, so I'm gonna have to cut it and then run it, run open down pipe like usual. Those of you that know me know I like them loud, but this car is gonna be way too loud. These H's, for some reason, they're loud. If you got one, you know what it's like. So the mock-up is done. I just gotta cut some of the piping off, and then it'll be ready. Baby ass intercooler, but we'll make some power with it. You guys will see with some time. We'll see right now, but yeah. So I'm just gonna mark up the piping real quick so I can see how much I have to cut off right now. If I can find the screwdriver. You see the screwdriver, Timmy?
There.
Alright, cool. That should work. That'll get the job done. Tomorrow, everything should be painted. I'll probably paint it at work. There's a lot of downtime. Do not do this at home, guys. Don't do it this way. Fuck, it's like right there, bro. It's not perfect.
Good as new.
But it'll get the job done. You know why? One of these bad boys are gonna wrap it up. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's plug these before I get killed. Think it's gonna work, Damien?
Oh yeah.
That's right, my boy. Damn, I'm gonna have to cut more, bro. Nah, you have to be right here.
Still 2 out.
Yeah, well, it's done. I just gotta cut. Probably cut like 2 inches. Is there another cut thing? Yeah, that'll get the job done. So I'm gonna cut like 2 inches off so that this can go back in. And it's not in the way. And there you guys have it. Piping is pretty much there. It'll be black tomorrow. Alright, so we were grinding away. Grinding our lives away. We were this close. Until they decided to break. And I don't have any more wheels right now. So now I gotta wait till tomorrow, but the mock-up is done. It's done. It's done. So just gotta pull off the oil pan right now. That's the last thing for the night. And then tomorrow I'll paint everything up, put the injectors on, and then turn it on. It's gonna be on a tune for my blue EM1, which is a B18 B1, aka a LS. If you guys hear say LS, that's what we're talking about. We're not talking about an LS swap, a Chevy, Corvette, whatever you want to call it. Not that. That's what that is. But we're gonna use that map at least to get us by, to cruise through the day. Since this one is a F20 and it has VTEC, the other one was not, didn't have VTEC. And then once we get tuned, we should be good. Thanks. So if you know me, you know I'm super impatient. So. Oh, it's coming, my boy. It's not gonna be perfect.
That's my boy.
It'll work. You know why? Let me tell you guys why. We're here. We're side. What is this? Side driveway built. You know.
Yeah.
So you gotta make some shit happen. This is gonna be okay because I'm gonna flip the lip a little bit. You know, that way it doesn't come off later on when we're making some real power. Can you tell? Can you tell? I bet you can. Just if you look at it later on, just close your eyes and imagine that it never happened. Cool. Shit, bro. Forgot to disconnect the grinder. Alright, so I just did an oil change on this bad boy 4 days ago. So the oil's brand new. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So I'm gonna catch it. If you guys have an HTB or an F2B, you know what it's like when you have a stock oil pan, when you drain in with not the whatever that one kit that keeps them straight is, only like 2.5 to 3 quarts comes out of the 5. So I'm gonna catch that real quick. So that way I can take out the oil pan. But we got the piping working. Right, Damien?
Yeah. Piping's done.
Alright, let's see how this goes, bro. Hopefully I don't make a mess down here. This pan is brand new, bro, and I already dented it twice. Probably on the San Diego trip. Damn, that oil looks black, bro, and it's brand new. Oh, shit. Bro, I low-key just made a mess.
Damn.
Fuck! That's what I get for looking at you. Ah! Fuck, and the tray's not even under it. Damn it. Fucking up, bro. Now I gotta find some rags right now. Show him that turbo setup, bro.
Turbo setup. Done.
So let him know you're learning how to drive stick.
I'm about to drive stick pretty soon. Waiting for that young taxi season. That's what happens whenever you get a kid. So every year, whenever that time comes,
You get a ball out.
You get a ball out. So I'm looking to buy a motor, cause my girl, obviously Christian, gave me a Honda. So
yeah, Damien's barely learning how to drive stick. He says he can't wait to learn so that he can drive the right-hand drive. Ain't that some shit? That's funny.
next year, hopefully, I'll go boost, maybe.
And we're gonna be the boosted brothers. Not
yeah.
boys, not boys. Brothers. And cousins, I guess you could say.
Oh yeah, counting angel.
Alright, cool. Oh, I see the oil, bro. I got you in the ear. Almost. Alright, take them all off, bro. So we got Damien down there painting some work. Got the turbo piping off so I can paint it tomorrow. Next thing on the list is probably to paint that damn nasty valve cover. Time for you to go in, bro? Huh? Dead time, bro. Don't get married, guys. Alright, so to be continued. Damien put in some work. Finally cleaning up. Made a little bit of mess. Oil pans off. Putting tools up. Put everything up already. Tomorrow, she'll be out. Not this one, but this little bad boy.